Hi everyone and welcome to Hockademy. Hockademy, Horizon Sky Academy, is a part of Horizon Sky Group who has 20 years experience in project design and management globally in more than 1000 projects in the residential, commercial, infra, institutional, industrial and the power sectors. This course is specially designed for people who want to go deeper into the subjects of civil estimation and costing right from the start up to making the abstract sheet, that is the costing. We will be going through a variety of things like taking measurements from our drawings that is provided to us, then calculating the quantities from those measurements, deriving the costs for these elements or materials, preparing the abstract sheet, and also in a special course we will go through the entire tender, bill of quantities and the bidding process. It is divided into various sub-courses which includes various projects starting from residential like bungalows, then commercial projects, offices, township areas, right up till 66 by 11 kV switchyards as well as an industrial campus. In all of these sectors, we will be going through all the different types of elements that are included in a civil estimation like excavation, RCC, PCC quantity calculations, then covering the finishes, that is the plaster, tiles, flooring. So everything basically covered in estimation and costing. We will also be deriving the cost for all of these elements that we have calculated and made the measurement sheets for, and we will do this with a 3D walkthrough of every project. The 3D walkthrough is a specialized element that we have added so that you can visualize the site very clearly before even starting the project. It will help you understand the projects easily. Now, we will see the different sub-courses that are included in this certification course. In the sub-courses, the first one is the tender, BOQ and bidding process. This is a special course that we have prepared so that you can understand the entire tendering process, different terminologies involved in tenders like GCC, SCC, EMD, the earnest money deposit, security deposit, then different types of conditions in a contract, and so forth and so on. We will see the entire tender uploading process right from the start, NITs, right up till the rewarding of a tender. So this is a special course we have included apart from the civil estimation and costing. The second course will be our township area. This township project consists of 4,320 apartment units. It has a total cost of 550 crores. We will go through the entire civil estimation and costing of this project, calculating all the elements right from a single brick till our finishes. So we will calculate how this 550 crore cost was actually derived from the different types of elements. We have used different types of personas and the areas in this project. Next is our 1000 square meter bungalow. This bungalow has exposed brick and RCC work. In this project, we have different types of areas like swimming pool, a mini theater room, then different types of parking areas, the compound wall. So we will go through all those different rooms and areas with a 3D walkthrough and do the estimation and costing of this project. This project is a special for our starters and it is a small bungalow. The next project is an iconic 4000 square meter bungalow. This is iconic in terms of architecture. It comprises of various aesthetic elements like the Venetian villa. It has a facade or elevation like a White House. This is a project we have designed for our client. It is a proposal and it is still in the execution stage. In this project, we have various elements in a luxurious bungalow like gazebos, a temple, the different garden areas, fountains, swimming pool and whatnot. Right. In the next project, we have a 3300 square feet CA office. Now this is a commercial office which is designed for a capacity of 20 employees. Here different elements like a conference room, working area, the MD cabin, managing director cabin, all these sorts of rooms are provided.
We have covered two industrial courses in this bundle of course. First one is switchyard project. In this course, you will learn the industrial items which are normally used in industrial projects and not used in the residential or commercial projects. So these are the special items like equipment foundations, gravel spreading, managing equipment levels in their foundations, control room, RCC trenches, brick trenches, then chambers, RCC chambers, brick chambers, oil sumps, etc. So these items are usually not used in the residential or commercial projects. These are the special items for industry work. We have a next project of industrial building. This industrial project contains 3 buildings. First one is main plant building, the second one is administrative building, and the third one is the utility building as well as the infrastructural facilities in the plant area like RCC road, security cabin and admin staff management system. Then we have a common parking, then we have a special parking for owners, etc. We have covered in this course.
Complete this course, become a Hockedemy certified engineer in the professional project design, specializing in civil estimation and costing. Thanks a lot for joining us.
Hockedemy, shaping professionals for a better future. Hockedemy is aiming to be the world's largest learning platform for engineers and architects.